Hello guys, it's Jehiel here, and in this video, I'll be talking about some ways you can enhance and ensure your phone security. You would like to stay with me to the end of the video if you want to grab every single point I make. And without wasting much time, let's get into the video.
Is it on?
Welcome to the channel where we do tech reviews and tech tips. If you are new to this channel or you are revisiting and you haven't subscribed, consider doing so. Also hit the notification bell icon so that when I release new videos, you'll be notified. With these tips, we are going to be focusing on two main aspects, the physical and the wireless. These are the two main ways your phone can be breached. So first, we are going to begin with the physical aspect. This is going to be divided into the security approach and the mechanical approach. So with the security approach, this involves the use of security measures such as the face unlock, voice unlock, pins, face IDs, and fingerprints. This is to create a layer of initial security to protect your phone firsthand from intruders. At some point, this is going to become stressful, and that is where the smart lock feature comes in. The smart lock feature keeps your phone unlocked based on this criteria: the location, on-body detection, and trusted devices, either with Bluetooth or with Wi-Fi. Now that was for the security approach. Let's move on to the mechanical approach. These are only 3 points, even though there's a long list to exhaust from. I'm going to go through this very quickly, so pay attention. Avoid sharing your passwords with people, whether you trust them or not. Avoid leaving your devices around. This would give untrusted people access to your device, and things would go south if your device isn't locked. Lastly, avoid connecting to open Wi-Fi networks in public areas. Open Wi-Fi networks are basically Wi-Fi networks without any security. You think hackers are not in Ghana and Africa, eh? Now we are moving on to the wireless aspect, and this is going to be a very quick one. Keep your Bluetooth turned off unless you really want to use it. In case you didn't know, active Bluetooth signal transmission allows hackers to intercept into the signal and gain easy access to your phone. This is known as blue bagging. Unless you know what you're about, avoid installing or downloading random files from the internet. These files contain malware and trojans which leech onto your phone systems and allow the hackers to do their worst. Do not give device access to just any application you download from the App Store. Make sure you go through the permissions and the terms and conditions of that application before you agree to using or to installing that application. Lastly, be careful of how you use certain social media, especially the ones which do not support end-to-end encryption or data encryption. That thing is very dangerous and hackers can use it against you. We are all done here, and I hope that this video helps you some way, somehow, security-wise. We are living in a very crazy world and you need to get protected. Also, thank you guys for watching this video. If you've reached this far into it, like, comment, and subscribe if you still haven't done it. Also share this video to your friends and family, tell them about it. In fact, everyone needs this video and we need to be able to protect ourselves. I am Jehiel. Thank you once again for watching. We shall meet. Bye.